Good evening, Primary 4. Engineer Niveen with you. I hope all of you be ready, be fine, don't worry about the exam. Inshallah, today we are making a revision in all points that you learned from Unit 1 to Unit 7, 10 lessons of Unit 7. Okay, let's begin our revision. Final General Revision Exams Day. The aims today, after this lesson, we will be able to make a revision in all units that will be in exam, inshallah. Let's begin. First question. Instructions. Write or circle your answers. Ahmed and Omar are using three-dimensional base. 10 blocks on their place value. Maths to build whole numbers. This is called block or cube. Don't forget this figure. Then this is called square or flat. Maybe you find word square, maybe you find word flat. Here, maybe you find in your question in the exam word block, maybe you find cube. And this represents what? Rod or strip. Maybe you find word rod, maybe you find word strip. Okay, and this small will be pit or unit. Don't forget this, what these words, because we will solve some exercise related to these words. But what about this question? Okay, look. Here, Ahmed built the number 238 using 3 tens rods. Yeah, you remembered word root? Okay. Omar built the number 302 using 3 tens root also. Then, Ahmed thinks that the 3 in his number has a greater value than 3 in Omar's number. But Omar disagrees. Look at here. This is digit 3. This will be, its value will be 30. So, yeah, 3 tens root. Okay. And here, 3 what? 300. 300. Okay. And 100, yeah. As you see in previous slide. Then, which statement best describe who is correct and why? Omar is correct because the value of 3 flats is 300 and the value of 3 rod is 30. Remember together, rod refers to 10, but flat, okay, or square, flat or square refers to what? Refers to 100 place value. Then Ahmed is correct because the value of 3 rods is 30 and the value of 3 flats is 3. Is it right? Okay. Omar is correct because the value of 3 flats is 30 and value of 3 rods is 3. Is it right? Ahmed is correct because the value of 3 rods is 300 and the value of 3 flats is 30. Is it right? Which one of these sentences is correct? Think. Yeah, root relates to tens and flat or square relates to what? 100. So which one is correct? Excellent. Number A, because 3 flats is 300 and here Omar digit 3 is 300. The value of digit 3 is 300. And about Ahmed, the digit 3 is 30. Okay? Then, here. Consider the numeral 789,403. What is the place value of digit 8? Which digit 8 here? Remember together. Write place value at the top of number from right to left. Begin with ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. I say what? When I point to digit 8, 10,000. So its place value will be, excellent, 10,000. Okay, but its value, remember I put 8, then all these digits before 8 will be 0 if he asks about the value of digit 8. Okay. Number 3. Mariam's school raised 6,400 Egyptian pound for charity last year. If they want to raise 10 times more than what? More than this. Okay, so 10 times more money. So I should make what? Multiply 10. You should make here multiply 10. Okay, so how much money would they need to raise? Yeah, all of you, B, excellent. You choose A or B or C or D. Yeah, I have 6,400. If I put another 0 at the right of this number, I get what? Excellent. Number C, 64,000. Let's see. 6,400 multiply 10, because 10 more times. So it will be 6, 4, 0, 0. Then I put 0. Number 4. Hiba is a نقط because the two cubes represent. Cubes relates to what? 100 or tens or thousand. Then the three flats refers to what? 100 or 1,000 or 10 or ones. Then and the 8 rods refers to what? Ones or tens or 100 or 1,000. Okay, then so the correct numeral is what? Let's 2 cubes means, excellent, 2,000. Excellent, guys. Then 3 flats represent, so it will be, excellent, 300. And 8 rods, yeah, means what? 8 or 80? Excellent, 80. So the correct numeral, if I combined all of them as a compact form or standard form, okay, 2,380. Okay, so the correct numeral will be 2,380. After I solve this, Hiba is, A means I choose from A, B means I choose from B, C means I choose from C, and so on. So Hiba is correct. Okay, so I choose here 2,380. Then 2,380. Okay. Then Number 5. Which expression decomposes the numeral 90,789 in expanded form? Remember together, expanded form contains the plus. So, all number will be separated by plus. And each digit here is written as a value. Okay, so here 9 will be 9 or will be 90,000. Excellent, will be 90,000. And 0, 0. Then 700 plus 80 plus 9. Okay, as expanded form. So which one is correct from these chosen? A or B or C or D? Excellent. It will be number C. Okay, because 0 means nothing. And if I add 0, okay, so I get the same result, the same number. Sorry. Number 6. Last week, the distribution center shipped 15,807 boxes of paper to offices across the country. This week, they shipped 15,780 boxes of paper. Which statement correctly relates the number of boxes shipped this week to the number of boxes shipped last week? This week and last week. Okay, so which one of these chosen is correct? 15 and 807 less than 15 and 780? Is it right? No. 15 780 equal 15 807? No. 15 780 greater than 15 807? No. Which one is correct? Yeah, 15,807 greater than 15,000, okay, 780. So number D is correct. Which table correctly lists the numbers in descending order? What the meaning of descending order? Descending order means from the greatest to the smallest, making ordering between all the number that I have it, okay? Look, this is A, okay, and another one. Here, which one will be correct to find descending order? Here, 953. Then this is what? 930. I let all of them have the same form, compact. Here, 593. 593. Here, 539. Then 530. Is it descending order or not? Check. 953. Here, 930. This what? 900 and 900. Then 500. But here, 53. Here, 30. So this bigger than this. Okay. So between both of them, descending order. Check this. 593 less than 930. Yes. Up here, 539 less than 593. Yes. Then 530 less than 539. Yes. So number A will be correct, chosen for descending order. Okay, so the first one is correct. So never mind 2. It doesn't matter to check about the other. But if he asked you which table correctly listed the number in descending order, if he asked you which 2 tables, for example, so you should find the 2 is correct. But here he asked about what? Which table? So the correct chosen will be 1 chosen only. Okay? Then, Mona is practicing rounding. Rounding means estimation. Okay? Which two statements? Here, he asked about what? Two statements, not one only. Round the number to the underlying place value correct. Okay, correctly. Remember together, how can we make rounding? Rounding, yeah, refers to what or dependent on what? Some numbers are poor and other numbers are rich. The numbers which are poor will be what? Remember together, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, poor. Okay? Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, rich. Don't forget this. Okay? I check by these numbers. If I make rounding, look at here, number A, 0. Which statement here? The 0. Which place value here? 10,000. So look at 7. 7, rich or poor? Rich. So 0 will be 1 after rounding. Here, look, is 0. Here will be 1 at the same place value? No, doesn't change. So first one doesn't correct. Okay, another one. This 4, for what? 400. Look at 3. 3, rich or poor? Poor. So 4 will be, change it? No. 4 will be the same and 3 and 9 will be 0. So is it right? No. Okay. Then here 4 will be 400 after rounding because 3 is poor. So it will be this 0 and this 0 and 4 is the same. You can find this? No. What about D? 3 at 10. Look at here. This is 9. 9 is rich, not poor. So I'm rich. So yeah, 3. I give you 1. So you will be changed to P4. And I'll be 0. So we find this, yeah, 3 will be 4 and 9 will be 0. So it's what? It's correct. Then here 6, before 6, 0. 0 is poor. 6 will be changed? No. Okay, so this is not correct. This is 2 and this is 6. 2 will be changed? Yes, because 6 is rich. So 2 will be 3 and the other, I'm so sorry, the other number, the other digit in the right of number 2, in the right of digit 2 will be 0. So which two statements is correct? Excellent. What and what? D and F. D and F. Okay. Noor is meeting his cousin at the movie theater. To get to theater, Noor must wait 30 minutes for the bus. Travel 29 minutes on the bus. And then walk 15 minutes to the theater. Using midpoint rounding, which is the best estimate of how long it will take Noor to meet his cousin. So the best estimate will be what? Yeah, 13 will be 10, 29 will be 30, and 15 will be 20. So if I add all of them, because first she waits what? 13, then travel and 29, then walk again to the theater 15. So the correct one is 60. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice from each group. Remember together about additive identity, associative, and commutative. Additive identity is 0 because 0 plus any number equal the same number. Okay, 0 means nothing, so if I add 0 to any number, I get the same number. Associative means you should put the numbers, okay, that has any mathematical operation between two brackets, then complete the mathematical operation. Commutative means interchange. Okay, so if I say 2 plus 3 as the same 3 plus 2, I get the same result. Then, look at here. Jamad wrote 14 plus 6 between brackets plus 21 equal 14 plus, then open bracket, 6 plus 21. This is equal, so left-hand side should equal right-hand side. I have here the same number, 14 here and 14 here, 6 here and 6 there, 21 here and 21 there. And I have adding mathematical operation. Remember, associative property is in adding mathematical operation or not? Yeah, of addition. Yes, it's called associative property of addition. Then he wrote 33 plus 16 equal 16 plus 33. Yeah, we will get the same result or not? Yes, we will get the same result. So this using what? Additive identity, associative or commutative? Which one is correct? Excellent, commutative. Then, property of addition, he wrote 28 plus 0 equal 28. So there means nothing or as a mirror to get the same number as the result in adding mathematical operation. So this is called additive identity. Here, which of these strategies would best help you find 25 plus 78 using mental math? Mental, so I can solve it by using, for example, rounding. Okay, select two correct answers. Round to 30 and 80, then add, or round to 30 and 80, then subtract, or use compensation by adding 25 and 75, then adding 3. Use compensation by adding 25 and 75, then subtracting. Use breakup and bridge by breaking up 25 into 2 and 5. Okay, breaking up 78 into 7 and 8. We make breakup. Okay, add 2 plus 7 and 5 plus 8, then add 9 plus 13. Is it right? Use breakup the bridge by breaking up 25 into 20 and 5 and breaking up 78 into 70 and 8. Add 20 plus 70 and 5 plus 8, then add 90 plus 13. He asked about using mental math. So I can round 25 to 30 and 78 to 80, then add it together. 30 plus 80, 111. Okay, this is the easiest way. Here, fill in the blank below with the correct answer choice from each group. How can 160 minus 69 be found using compensation strategy? Look at here. We can make 160 minus 60 to use compensation strategy, or 160 minus 70, or 200 minus 60, or 200 minus 70. Then add what? 1 or 40 or 30 or 9 to find that 160 minus 69 equals what? So we choose from A 160 minus 70. Then add 1. Then add 9, so sorry. To get what? 99. If you make a check here, 0 minus 9 can't. So, okay, this will be 15, 5, okay, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 9 will be 1. Okay, then 15, 10 minus 9 will be 1, and 15 minus 6, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 will be what? 9. Okay, so the result here, I'm so sorry about that, the result here will be 91. Okay, because 10 minus 9, so this is wrong. 10 minus 9 equal 1, and 15 minus 6 equal what? 9. Okay, then I check if anyone need any help this moment. Any question? Yeah? Any question, guys? Yeah? Thank you. Okay, thank you, Lamar. Thank you, all of you. Sonic, Aya, yeah, Judy, Carlos, Lamar. Okay, thank you so much. If you need any help, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you for your answers. Thank you so much. You found that 29,000 equal 71,137. Which estimate, okay, could he use to check if his answer is responsible? Look at here, 30,000 plus 50,000 equal 80,000. He asked about what? Estimate. So the easiest way, make estimation. So 29 here, 1,000 will be, excellent, 30,000. 41, okay, and 309 will be what? Will be, excellent, 40,000. So the correct way, okay, or the answer that will be responsible will be number C. 30 plus 40 will be 70,000 if we make estimate. Then this is wrong. I'm so sorry. Then here, Shayma solved this problem. What is her next step? Look at this. Okay, 252 minus 86, then here 6. If we make, as we usual, we begin from right to left, then up to down. This is traditional way, okay? 2 minus 6 can't, because 2 less than 6. So we should what? Yeah, take 1 10. So this will be 4 and this will be 12. So 12 minus 6, get what? Here 6. Then we regroup the tens place and subtract 8 tens from 14 tens. Regroup the tens place and subtract 8 tens from 15 tens. Subtract 8 hundreds from 2 hundreds. Subtract 0 hundreds from 2 hundreds. What did we do? We make what? First, we make subtract 2 minus 6, but it's not, you can't make it. So we make regroup 10 place value, okay? And subtract 8 from what? From 5 or from 14? From 14. Okay, so the correct chosen is number A. A seamstress had 21 meter bolt of cloth. She used some of cloth to make a dress and had 15 meters left. Let's see represent the amount of cloth. Which equation represents his or this problem? Yeah. First, he has what? 21 meters. She used the sum of his cloth, okay, to make a dress. الأدرس, okay, and had what? Left over 15. So C is a missing letter. So we should solve and choose as equation, okay? Subtract with missing, add with missing. Which one is correct? Yes, it's number B. Why? All meters 21. And what does he left? Okay, 15 is left. So number C, we get number C by making what? 21 minus C equal 15, because this is the result of subtraction, okay, that left over, which is called difference. Here, a train traveled the station with 680 passengers. It picks up more passengers at the next station. يبقى first leaves with what? 680. Then at the next station, the train then has what? 800 passengers. So passengers, the number of passengers increase, okay, on it. Let B represent, B is a missing also here, represented the number of passengers. Which bar model represent this problem? Let's see. Don't forget the beginning number of passengers 680. Then in next station 800. So it increased. Okay, and we need equation to what? To find B. Okay, look. Which one? Look at here. Can I make B equal 680 plus 800, or B equal 800 plus 680, or 680 then 800 plus P, or 800 equals 600 plus P? Which one is correct for this? Think. Excellent. The total number, final 800. Okay, it's begin with 680. Then added, increased by number B to get what? 800. So number D is correct one, and the mathematic operation here will be 680 plus B equal 800. Okay, or 800 minus B equals 680. Both of them is right. Look, fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice. A restaurant buys 125 kilograms of rice. It uses, this is used, but the total 125. It uses what? 32 kilograms of what? Of rice. And on Monday, and 46 kilograms of rice on what? On Tuesday. Use a bar model to figure out how much rice is left. So the total number is what? 125 kilograms. So first on Monday 32, and Tuesday 46. So we make it between here 32 plus 46 to get the number, and the number will be subtracted from 125 to find how much rice are left. Or if you see this bar, you can write the correct number here. Which one here is correct? 47. Look, a water truck was filled with 4,000 liters. The answer is cleared, but we explain it, okay? It delivered 1,250 liters to the first client. It delivered 620 liters to its second client, okay? It delivered 2,120 liters to its last client. How much water was left in the truck? Look, how much? How can I get 10 liters? Yeah, we make what? We make adding, then subtract it. Okay, adding all of them together, then subtract from 4,000, because 4,000 liters is what is the total number of liters of water. So here I make 1,250 plus 620 plus 2,120. So the result will be 3,990. But the total 4,000. 4,000 minus 3,990. Yeah, it will be 10. With mental, it will be 10. Okay, because if I add 10 to 3,990, I get what? 4,000. Then subtract the 730 milliliters Rana poured in her mug from the 1,425 milliliters that were in the coffee pot to begin with. Then subtract the 460 milliliters Rana poured in her friend's mug. So how can I solve this? Look, subtract first what? 730. Okay, who subtract this? Rana. Okay, subtract from where or from what? From 1,425. So the first step, I make 1,425 minus 730. I get first difference. After I get first difference, okay, she did what? Then subtract the 460 milliliters Rana poured in her friends, in her what? Friend's mug. So 460 will be subtracted from the first difference. Look at the equation here. Yeah, I make 1,425 minus 730 to get what? 695. It's very easy. Ones minus ones, tens minus tens, 100 minus 100. 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 3 can't. So 2 will be 12 and 4 will be 3 here. Okay, 12 minus 3 will be 9. Okay, then 13 minus 7 will be 6. After that, subtract 460 from the first difference. هي 695. So the final will be 235 milliliter. Any help? Anyone need any help? Excellent. Excellent, Carlos. You are active, you and your friends. All of you are active. Thank you, all of you, Lamar, Sonic. Yeah, I try to clear with Arabic words. I'm so sorry about speaking in English all time. Okay. Okay, thank you, Aya. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much. Habiba. Yeah, you need the question, ya Habiba, PDF? Okay, we try to put it in Facebook. I try to put it today. Okay, add one. Okay. Thank you. ان انت بتشكرني يعني متشكرة جدا. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, Judy. Okay, over you. Thank you so much for be active with me. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice from each group. Here 30, 300, 3,000, 539, 30,000 in column A, in column B, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Noor is comparing the weights of his cats. The first cat weighs 3 kilograms. Okay, the second weighs 2,700 grams. Noor knows 3 kilograms is the same as what? 3,000 grams. 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. So 3 kilograms will be 3 by 1,000. Okay, don't forget 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. Then, because there are here what in 1 kilogram? How many grams in 1 kilogram? Excellent. 1,000. Fatma poured liquid into a beaker labeled with both liters and milliliters. Which observation could Fatma have made? Okay. He poured what? Yeah, liters and milliliters. So, which one of these statements is correct and relation between liter and milliliter? ايه العلاقة ما بين أو relation between اللتر والمليلتر؟ There are 10 milliliter in 1 liter. There are 100 milliliter in 1 liter. There are 1,000 milliliter in 1 liter. There are 10,000 milliliter in 1 liter. Excellent. 1,000 milliliter in 1 liter. Then, Bahir walked for 4 kilometers. Which two distance also describe how far Bahir walked? 4 kilometers. It will be, okay, which two distance also describe how far? 40 decimeter, 400 millimeter, 4,000 meter, 40,000 millimeter, 400,000 centimeter. Remember together, kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, meter, decimeter. Okay, don't forget this. Kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, so when we convert millimeter, when we convert from kilometer to meter, multiply 1,000. From kilometer to decimeter, multiply what? Here 1,000, then from meter to decimeter by 10. So from kilometer to decimeter, 10,000. Okay, don't forget. من decimeter لسنتيمتر, excellent, by 10. من centimeter to millimeter by 10. So, which one of these is correct? Yeah, 4,000 meter. This is first one. What about second one? Here centimeter. 4,000. I get meter. 4,000. Then centimeter. يبقى 4,000 and 2 zeros again. 4,000 multiply 100 because from meter to centimeter I jump step what? Here by 10 and here by 10. So from meter to centimeter make multiply 100. So the second one is number E. Okay. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice from each group. First group, more than, the same as, less than. Group B, different, the same. Group C, different, the same. So we choose one of these words from column A relates to letter A, column B relates to letter B, column C relates to letter C. A rock with a mass of 6 kilograms and 50 gram weight. So A, what a rock with a mass of 6,005 grams? More than, because here 6,000 look and 50. Yeah, 6,050. But here 6,005. So 6,050 more than 6 and 5 grams. The place value of 6 in pulse weight is number B. The place value of 6. 6 is the same or different? Excellent. It's the same. Sorry. And the place value of the 5 in pulse weight. هل البليس value في ال 5 في ال first is the same place value in the second? No. Place value here is tens. Place value here is ones. So they are different. Look. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice. Hazem plugs in a digital clock and needs to set the time to see what time it is. He looks at another clock in the house, shown here. What time now in this clock? You can read this time by two ways. First, from number 8 here to number 12, how many minutes? 1, here add 5, 10, 15, 20. So we can say 20 to 10. يعني فاضل لي 20 minutes to beat I'm so sorry, 10 o'clock. Okay. This is first one. Second reading, I can say, 9 o'clock and what here? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I can say 9 and 40 minutes. 9 o'clock and 40 minutes. Okay? When I write it in digit here. 9 and 40 minutes. Okay? Here, Badr helped his father for 75 minutes. How can he determine the number in seconds? Okay, he helped. How many minutes in 1 second? I'm so sorry. Here, 75 minutes. Okay, so 1 minute, 1 hour, 60 minutes, 1 hour, 60 minutes. Okay, don't forget this. Then 1 minute, 60 seconds. 1 minute, 60 seconds. Okay. So if he asked about 75 minutes, I need to write 75 minutes by second. So what I'm doing here, which one is greater, minute or second? Minute or second? Minute. When I convert from big to small, I make multiply. So 1 minute equal 60 seconds. 2 minutes equal 2 by 60. Okay? You should make 2 by 60 to get it in seconds. It will be 120 seconds. So 75 minutes, I make what? Multiply 75 by 60. So number D is correct. Then, Kamil wants to find the number of hours in 5 days. Which number should Kamil multiply by 5 to find the number of hours in 5 days? He asked about number of hours in 5 days. Well, 1 day, how many hours in 1 day? 24 hours. In 1 day, 24 hours. You should know this information. Okay, what about 5 days? Yeah, so 5 days, how many hours? Equal 5 by 24. Okay, 5 by 4, 20. 0, and I have 2. 2 by 5, 10. Okay, 10 plus 2, 12. Or with model area, as we learned before, we can do it here. 20 plus 4, 20 plus 4. Okay, multiply what? 5. Okay, so 20 by 5 equal what? 0. Then 2 by 5, 10. 4 by 5, 20. 20 plus 100, it will be 120. Okay. Look. 14.5 hours minus 7 hours equal how many hours? With mental, okay, it will be 7 and 5. 7.5. How can I get it? 14 what? Hours and 5 minutes. Okay, but here 7 what? 7 hours. I have any minute here? No. So if I make subtract, I get 5 minutes. Then 14 minus 7 will be 7. So the correct chosen will be number C. Muaz is driving to his friend's house, which is 5 kilometers away. He has already driven 300 meters. Okay, and here this is meter, but this kilometer. So I should have the same measurement unit. So this will be 5,000 meters. Okay. Then how many meters does he still have to drive? طالما does he still have, so we should make subtract 5,000 minus 300. So the result will be 4,700. A bucket contains 6 liters and 350 milliliters. So this will be 6 and 350 milliliters. Okay, don't forget. Another bucket contains 8 liters and 200. So it will be 8 and 200 milliliters. Okay, then opposite paint. Two friends want to know which bucket has more paint. Which one has more paint? It's clear. But he asked about Fatin believes the first step to solve this. Rewrite the capacity of red paint as 7 liters and 1,200 milliliters. وهيدي, okay, we make compare of pointing of view between Fatin and Heidi. Heidi says what? the first step is to subtract 6 letters of blue paint from 8 letters of red paint. Okay, then subtract the milliliter. Who is correct? Heidi, because she is subtracting the smaller amount, 6 letters, from the larger amount, 8 letters. Heidi, because letters and milliliters should be solved at the same two separate equations. Okay, Fatin, because 350 milliliter couldn't have been subtracted from 200, is against 350 greater than 200. So how can we say it couldn't have been? Fatin, because she is changing the amounts of paint so they are in all milliliters to be able to subtract only one number. Which one of these sentences is correct? Let's begin. Here, 6 letters and 350 milliliters. The second one, 8 letters and 200 milliliters. First one of blue paint. Second one of red paint. Heidi says what? First, subtract 6, okay, of blue from 8 of what? Red. Then subtract المليلتر. Okay. لكن فاتن قالت in rewrite the capacity red paint as 7 liter and 1,200. Which one is correct? Number A is correct because Heidi said what? She is subtracting the smaller amount 6 letters from the larger amount 8 letters. Okay. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice from each group. Maisa knows that there are 26 weeks in 6 months. She found that there are about what? 4 or 6 or 7 weeks in each month. How many weeks in each month? 4 weeks. Excellent. By number B, we choose here from P. By what? The number of weeks and months. هنعمل dividing ولا multiply? Dividing. 26 divided 6. Then the quotient, her quotient, has or doesn't have remainder? Has remainder. Why? If you check 26 divided 6. Okay? So, 26 in table 6, no. 25, no. 24, yes, we find and we try to check the number less than 26 to determine the numbers that can divisible by 6, that can divided by 6. Which one can divided by 6? 24. 24 divided 6 equal 4. But 26 minus 24 equal what? Yeah, equal 2. So the remainder will be 2. Quotient 4 and remainder will be 2. Fill in the blanks below the correct answer choice from each group. Gamal wants to calculate the area of hallway floor. The floor of hallway أكيد يعني معظمها بتبقى rectangle. Okay, it's a rectangle. So, first, he should measure A. Make what? If I ask about area of rectangle, so I should find first what and what? Yeah, about floor only. This is 2 dimension. So, length and width. Then, after finding length and width, I make to find the area, multiply those measurements. Here. Samer's text box is 30 centimeters long. The cover of Samer's box has a perimeter of 100 centimeters. How wide is Samer's book? Okay, so how can we find it? Look, yeah, which one is correct? Yeah, look at here. perimeter equal 2 length plus 2 width. He asked about what? Height or width. So width will be perimeter minus 2L divided 2. Perimeter 100 centimeter minus 2L means 2 by the length equal 30. 2 by 30, 60. Okay, divided 2. So the result will be what? 20. Yeah, we get 20 from where? From 40, because 100 minus 60 equal 40, divided 2. 4 divided 2, 2. 0 divided 2 equal 0. So the chosen will be 20 centimeter. Look at here. This is our question. Okay. Then we choose from this. Rida wants to take a walk around. So think about what? Perimeter. A park that connects two rectangular soccer fields. How could he calculate the distance he will walk around the park? Okay, so what are we doing now? We have here two rectangular, but if he asked about, yeah, walk around, and we have two rectangular, so we need to find perimeter. So perimeter of any shape equal the distance around the shape, the distance around the shape. So we can make what? Yeah, 3 by 6 by 5 by 4 by 8 by 10. Okay, or with another one. Okay, make what? Yeah, look at here. Multiply 3 and 6 for field. We make multiply 3 by 6 and 6 and multiply, no. Okay, then multiply the dimension of the park, which are 10 with 3 with 6 with 5 with 4. Multiplication, no here, because he asked about around. Calculate the distance around. The distance around, so means perimeter. Add together the dimension of field A, which are 3 with 6 with 3 with 6, where 3 with 6, okay, with 3 with 6. And the dimension of field B, which are 4, 8, 4, and 8, to get the total perimeter 42. Add together the dimension of the park, which are 10 with 3 with 6. Look at here, 10. This is 10. Okay, with 3. Okay, with 6. Okay, with 4. And 4 and 5. 5 and 4 and 8. This is correct one. This is what? Correct one, not C. Okay, this is correct A, but this is wrong, and this is wrong, and this is wrong, because the distance means what? Means excellent. The distance around the shape means a perimeter. Look at here. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice. 6 or 7 or 36 or 42. A model is shown. Here, 42. How many here? Number of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, which equation is the best to represent this model? 6 by 7 equal 42. Okay, because multiplication is repeated operation. Appearing the answer. Okay, here. Consider the pattern of products created by multiplying a one-digit whole number by 100. He asked what? One digit. One only digit. So if I have one only digit, I make it multiply 100 to get what? Yeah, the result. If I write here 2, this is one digit, multiply 100, so I get 200. So this will have 20. Okay, this is an example for all of you. So the statement is each product ends with 2 zeros. If he asks about here which statement best describe the patterns. Okay, if I multiply one digit whole number by 100, so the results have 2 zeros. But if one digit whole number by 1000, so the result will have what? 3 zero. By 10,000, the result will have what? 4 zero, and so on. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice from each group. Here, from A and B and C, look, okay, in this figure. So explain how the associative property can be used to find the value of 3 by 200. Yeah, we can make what? 3 by 2. It will be 6. Okay. Then put 2 0. Or I make what? Yeah, 2 by 100. I make decomposing here. 2 by 100. Then after I break 200 to 2 by 100, I make associative. 3 by 2 associative by I'm so sorry about that, 100. So the first step, 200 as 2 by 100. We write a 200 as 2 by 100. Then change the grouping. I make grouping 3 by 2 to find associative property. Okay, grouping for what? For grouping of factors, so that 3 by C. Which C? 100 or 2? 3 by 2 is in parentheses. Okay, the correct here is 7. Why? Which is a prime number? Prime number, the least prime number is number 2, least prime number. The least even prime number is 2 also. So the prime number begin with 2. Okay? And the prime number has 2 factors. Which are these factors? 1 and itself. 1 and what? Itself. I try to revise with you with solving the exercise here. Okay? Then, which is a composite number? Composite number? 1 is a composite number? No. 3? No. 1 and 3 odd number. 3 is what also? Is a prime number. 2 is even number and a prime number. Least prime number or smallest prime number. 15 is a composite number because it has factors. 1 by 15 with 3 by 5. Okay. Here, which of these statements is true? 6 is a factor of 45, but 6 is not a factor of 46. طبعا, this is wrong. 7 is a factor of 49, yes, okay. But 7 is not a factor of 14, is it right? No, 7 is a factor of 14, so this statement is incorrect. 8 is a factor of 66, no. But 8 is not a factor of 65, no. 9 is a factor of 54, yes. 9 is not a factor of 89, yes. So number D is correct. Look at here. Which number best completes the area model to find 94 divided 4? Look, this is what? Yeah, quotient. because I have here remainder. Okay, so you should write here what? Number of dividends. Okay, so here 20 by 4 equal 80. 3 by 4 equal 12. Okay, then 12 plus, to check your answer is correct or not, 12 plus 80 equal 92. Then 92 plus 2 equal, because remainder is 2, 94. So the correct chosen is what? 4 by 20, number B. What is the best way to estimate 7,924 divided 4? The easiest way and the best way, estimate this to 8,000. Then 8,000 divided 4, it will be 2,000. It's very easy and it's the best way. So number B is the best way. Look at here, find the quotient. Okay, here 784 divided 14 equal what? We choose here hide and test. 7 divided 4. So I make what? I put 7, no, 6, no, 5. 5 by 4, okay, equal what? 5 by 4, 20, 0, and carry up to 5 by 1, 5, this, 70, then minus the division, mom multiply, sister subtraction, brother bring down, okay. Then if I put here, 8 divided 1, no, so 7, 6, I check with 6, why? Because 6 get us the result, 6 by 4, 24, 4, and carry up to 6 by 1, 6, and 2 equal 8, subtract, so remainder will be 0. And you can use any way, it's up to you. Okay, so the chosen will be 56. Don't worry, I don't have corona. Which expression can be used to check the answer of this division? Look at this. The easiest and the correct chosen here. This is called, dividend, and this is dividend, and this divider, and this quotient, and this remainder. So if I make 124 multiply 6, then add 2, I get the correct answer. And I get the dividend. So A or B or C or D is correct. Excellent. Number D, because I make 124 by 6, then add the remainder 2. I check before leaving the session if anyone needs to reply anything. I give you, okay, I give you 1 minute. No, there is no division in the exam. Maybe simple. The exam from Unit 1 to Unit 7, 10 lessons, the first 10 lessons only. Okay? Anyone need any help? Yahya Hamada. Why, Yahya, you write these words? Adham, you don't understand estimate? Okay, I repeat one example about estimate. Don't worry. حاضر يا حبيبي آدم. If you still with us, I repeat one example in estimate. يحيى، نورسين، okay. جنة، I love you يا جنة. I love you so much. Carlos, yeah. Anybody need any help? Yeah, okay. يا يحيى بدأت تجاوب اهو، تمام. Don't worry آدم. I repeat estimate for you. Don't worry. I check if anyone need any question to repeat it again. No one up till now. Just only Yahya. Yahya needs to repeat estimate. يحيى أنت بتلعب يا يحيى. عيب كده يا يحيى. تحضر السيشن، تحضر بالتزام. ساعات تجاوب وساعات تلعب. ساعات كتير بدون فايدة. هالة سيد. Thank you يا هالة. Thank you for these nice words. اوكي شاطرة يا آية، برافو، ممتازة ممتازة. Thank you يا حبيبي. Thank you. اوكي. محمد. طب يا إياد you need to repeat what؟ عرفت آدم. إياد عاوز إيه يا إياد؟ ابعت لي لو سمحت أعيدهولك. حاضر يا أدهم، حاضر يا حبيبي، هعيدهولك حالا. طب هالة انتي سألتي إجابة السؤال ممكن تكتبي لي في الشات طيب العنوان بتاع السؤال، التوبيك نفسه، عشان لو كده أراجع لك حبيبي. كده مفيش غير الاستيميت ومنتظرة. ما شاء الله يعني عددكم كويس. أحمد، جودي، اوكي انتوا متجاوبين فعلا. ربنا يحفظكم وإن شاء الله ربنا يبارك لك يا هالة يا رب. ولارا thank you so much for all of you for these nice words. طيب أبدأ بقى أراجع الاستيميت عشان وقتكم عشان تلحقوا. رسائل كتير بس خايفة أفوت حد مثلا يكون عايز حاجة معينة. حسنا أهو أنت بتسأل على الوقت، تمام. طب أنا هعيد. محمد ياسر اوكي ثانك يو. اوكي هعيد الاستيميت عشان وقتكم يا حبايبي لآدم وبعدين ننهي الحلقة. بصي حبيبي يا آدم، لو أنا قلت لك مثلا 29 for example وقلت لك اعمل استيميت وحطيت لك underline على number 2، تمام؟ يبقى you should check the number before number 2 وتسأل نفسك هي ال 9 دي poor ولا rich؟ لو rich يبقى ال 2 هيتزود لها increased by 1. يبقى after estimate it will be what? 2 will be 3 and the 9 will be 0. طيب if I give you 341 I need to estimate 200 around 200. Every time the number that will be underlined, check the number before it, the place value before it. For rich or poor, poor. يبقى ال 3 will be the same, doesn't change. 3 as the same. طب what about the other digit? It will be 0 and 0. So you should check for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, poor. Okay? Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, rich. This is the easiest way for estimate or for round. But in grade 2, for the new curriculum, you take it before There is another word for front end. front end not estimate، بس أنا مش عايزة ألخبطك، دي أنت خدتها في grade 2. front end. أوكي؟ الفرونت end دي يعني لما تيجي تعمل estimate by using way front end. for example لو أنا كاتبة مثلا 32، الفرونت end دايما بتحط إيه؟ underline أو circle للhighest place value. مين الhighest place value؟ الونز ولا التنز هنا؟ التنز، دي الhighest place value. وبرضه ببص على اللي قبلها. look at the number previous. rich or poor؟ poor. okay? or in front end the easiest way, look at the greatest or the highest place value and write its value. So it will be by front end, it will be 30. طب okay, another one 325 with front end will be put underline to the greatest place value. It will be 300 وانت مغمض، حتى لو اللي قبلها ريتش مش بور. لكن الاستيميت لازم تطبق الرول بتاع الريتش والبور. Anybody need any help again? Okay, last question about division. Okay, thank you. الأسئلة دي كلها من Educational Discover من بنك المعرفة. أنا عايزاكم دايما تتابعوا بنك المعرفة يا ولاد، وتبقوا يعني تتصفحوا فيه أسئلة كتير كويسة جدا وهتستفيدوا منه قوي. تمام؟ وما تقلقوش خالص، الامتحانات جميلة ولذيذة وبسيطة. احنا بس حبينا نراجع كل الحاجات اللي فيها فكر، بس الامتحان ان شاء الله هتلاقوه تبع مدارسكم يعني اسهل مما تتخيل، وبحضوركم معانا دايما هتستفيدوا وان شاء الله موفقين بأمر الله. ايوه يا لمار، عايزه ايه يا حبيبتي؟ انتي لسه موجوده؟ لو في حد موجود يا حبايبي وكان باعت لي انتي عايزه multiply 2 numbers by 2 numbers. طب انتي موجوده يا لمار؟ ابعتي لي طيب عشان لو كده اعيد تاني في نهايه السيشن. اوكي باي يا حبايبي. اوكي 2 number by 2 number. بصي تصفحي كده اللي هي 2 digit by 2 digit، شوفيها في انهي يونت بالظبط في الكتاب بتاعك، وشوفي الفيديو تاني. اوكي على اليوتيوب بتاع الوزارة. موفقين ان شاء الله. Thank you for listening and goodbye with my best wishes. Engineer نيفين شعيب. Thank you so much. ان شاء الله you will pass the exam. Bye bye.